Okay, in this video we're going to deal with word formation. Word formation is a kind of activity that you're going to find in the first certificate exam. So, our first question is, what is word formation? Word formation is the method by which words are formed with a new meaning. And these new words can be formed by adding affixes. Affixes are letters that are added at the beginning or at the end of the word. Yes? So, example, if I have the adjective clear and I need to form the negative adjective, I need to add the prefix an. It is prefix because it goes at the beginning. If I have the verb select and I need a noun, I'm going to add the suffix selection, yes, at the end of the word. So, affixes are used to form a new word with a new meaning. What are prefixes? Prefixes are letters added to the beginning of the word. I need the prefix and the base or the stem of a word. In the previous example, clear is the base or the stem of a word, and I use the prefix an to form the negative. Another example, happy and unhappy, which means sad. How do I realize that I need unhappy or unclear? Is because in these kind of activities, where in word formation, you are going to be given a text, a sentence that in which you're going to realize what kind of word you need. You're going to be given the word at the end of that sentence, and you need to form a new one to complete the meaning. Other examples, the verb agree, the negative disagree. I use the prefix this to form the negative. Other examples to form antonyms, this, im, in, an, ir, ill, to form the negative. For example, ill, illegal. Something is legal or illegal. Okay, I am responsible or irresponsible. I am patient or impatient. I am dishonest or honest. Okay, so here we have some examples of prefixes. Now, let's deal with suffixes. The suffix, as I said before, goes at the end. So I need the base form, the verb select, for example, and then the suffix to form a new one. Selection to form the noun. Another example, if I have the adjective happy and I need the noun, I'm going to form the noun by adding ness, happiness. If I have the verb dictate and I need a noun, I'm going to have dictation. So, there are common suffixes to form different kinds of words. That is to say, to form nouns, to form adjectives, to form adverbs, to form verbs. So, other examples of suffixes to form nouns. If I have the adjective free, I am free, is because I have freedom, the noun. Okay, the noun child, I can form the abstract noun by adding hood, childhood. If I have the verb teach and I want to and I need to have the noun teacher. Okay, these are examples of nouns. Now let's deal with examples of adjectives, adjective prefixes. Drink, drinkable, that you can drink. Help, helpful, that it can help you. Productive, it can produce. So these are examples of adjective suffixes. Then we have verb suffixes. To clarify, to realize, to dominate. So these are examples of verbs with these suffixes. Adverb suffixes. How do I form adverbs? The common rule is to add ly. Okay? There are some exceptions, for example, clockwise, the way it works, okay? So I'm going to make 2 comments about the ending ly. One is that if the adjective ends in l, then you add ly, so you have double L. Now, if the adjective does not end in L, so only one ly, okay? Only one L. Here you have double because the adjective keeps the L. The same happens with beautifully, okay? Beautiful ends in L, so when you add the adverb ending, it is double L, Y. And then, if I need to form an adverb, I need the adjective. So if you're given the verb surprise, okay, which is a common example that you're going to find, first I need to turn it into an adjective. So to surprise, something is surprising. And then you can form the adverb with ly, surprisingly. Okay? There are lists of common prefixes and suffixes with examples that you can work with. Okay? I hope it has been quite helpful for you so that you can now practice word formation. Remember to read the whole text, the sentence, and you need to realize the kind of word that you need to complete the meaning of that sentence. If it is a noun, if it is an adjective, if it is a verb, or if it is an adverb, or the negative. Okay, so first spot the word that you need, and then with the word that you're given, think if you need a prefix or a suffix to form that new word that you are asked. Okay, see you, bye-bye.